Avenue, Participants page, Messaging students. The Participants link in the course navigation menu opens a dashboard that displays instructor and student information and a set of functionalities to improve communication and organization in a course. The Participants page offers sorting options for quickly locating or ordering students in a list and accessing information about each student. Instructors and students can use it to send messages and emails to selected course participants. Accessing the Participants page. In the Course Navigation menu, click on the Participants link. Please note, you do not have to click on the Edit Mode toggle button in the upper right corner of the screen to activate the editing tools. The editing features appear on the course screen by default. Let's scroll down the page for a better view of the participants list. Showing and hiding participant information. The participant list can be made less crowded by hiding some of the fields using hide and show icons. First, to hide a field in the participants list, click on the Hide icon, the minus sign, under the field title. In this example, it is email address. When we click on the minus sign, the email address field or column is now hidden, and a show icon, a plus sign, appears in its place. To show the email address field, click on the show icon. The email address column is once again visible. Sorting participants in a course. The participants list here is sorted by first name. This is indicated by the upward pointing arrow near first name. The course participants order is ascending, A to Z, in this image. To change the list order, click on First Name. The participants are now in descending order, Z to A. The downward arrowhead indicates this. When you click on Last Access to Course, the list is sorted in descending order, starting with the person who most recently accessed the course. Participants can be reordered by first name, last name, email address, and last access to course. Sending course messages to course participants. On the Participants page, select the recipient or recipients of the message. Then, select Send a Message in the With Selected Users drop-down menu. Write your message. When you have finished writing your message, click on the Send Message button. The message is sent, and if students have their messages settings set up to Notification Preferences, Email on, they will receive the message by email when they are offline. Receivers of the message need to click on their message drawer icon to see the message. Then they click on the message preview in the message drawer. The full message appears.